Right now, I want to show you some quick win goal setting and project management techniques specifically for the cross-functional team. Hierarchies within organizations create some really unique challenges, and this comes especially true when we go out of a functional organization where it's from the top down and we move into the cross-functional project team. So this is especially true when determining goals. So let's examine the role of the team lead versus the role of the team right now, especially when it comes to choosing these goals. So how do we choose our goals? Some people use the acronym SMART. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. And this is a really great technique to use if you have a lot of time. But the only problem is that SMART goals can be really slow. So, I'd like to introduce to you right now the Rapid Goal Setting Framework. Step 1 of this framework is to separate your goals into musts versus wants. Step 2, let's take a look at the criteria for musts. They are as follows. Number 1, musts have to be mandatory. That is an outcome that must obtain. Number 2, they have to be measurable. For instance, how would an outside party know that you reached your goal? Number 3, because it's short suspense, they have to be realistic, and that means that the outcomes have to be under your team's control. So step 3 of the Rapid Goal Setting Framework is to rank the list of musts and wants. Now that we have this list, let's talk about how we get around this hierarchy. I like to use a tool that I call applying the 3 C's. Now, the key to applying the 3 C's is that they apply uniformly in the hierarchy, and they create a cross-functional environment. The 3 C's are clarity. We have to have clarity on objectives and goals. We have to have concurrence on our objectives and roles, and we have to have conformity. That is, we'll call each other out if we stray from anything we've agreed on. Now that we've talked about the 3 C's and the Rapid Goal Setting Framework, let's talk about the roles for eliciting these goals. We've broken this down into the team lead and the rest of the members on the team. So the team lead needs to elicit goals based on musts and wants, either in a focus group or in one-on-one setting. The team lead needs to rank these goals with the Rapid framework or another agreed upon modification. The team lead should avoid judging the merit of a goal outside of the framework, because the team members should understand the framework and provide the subject matter expertise or the stakeholder input. And finally, everyone should focus on the importance of concrete, actionable goal setting as a critical part of any project. If you stick to this process, you'll see how fast you're going to identify actionable goals.